Going in the water. Yeah, I am going in the water.
So you just find
in the name of Jesus. Nobody. Don't hold it up your tired.
Where my load up? Tell me the man farmer, you know. Man farmer. What me need for load up? Tell me what go on. When 5 grand did I sir? I'm in money. Taking money from the man. No, go and go get the money. Go and get the money. Kevin, give her money, huh? Please. No, seriously, give her money. No, seriously. A fee money, a fair money. No, me not go trust that. Because last night we did this so and we did get the money this so last night. Why would they run that they draw there? Why would I run no in this car beg me 20 grand? Ask me for 20 grand. That's weird. Well, I'm in Pazzi. No, that's weird. That's and you okay? Yes, I'm okay. Enjoy that's it. Me not make nothing break me the end. Nothing. Kevin take with Meka 5 grand. Oh, so somebody they pick up that sofa. Yo, Mr. Hunu. Guys, rest that. We don't want. You hear? Listen to me. There's so many things right now, but nobody can stop me there. If something happens right now, it don't happen. Me just blank them out. So, me no want to hear nothing. You understand me? We know. Just, yeah.
Unmute.
You didn't hear upon this when we did that chat them here.
Can you take the money?
Me like that. That's crazy.
You find the money, you see how we are doing money, you see how
but honestly, for so much things when me I do you that really do that, girl.
money transaction, you find it, you see what we do. That's why I'm like,
because when me get the money, me I said, how come something like year 10?
Alright, load that, you get it back.
Thanks for the money.
I'm going to say you vex.
Of course me vex, you can't do that, that's crazy.
After money more coming, you pick it in this,
The man clean up. May I come maybe give me something for put on? Alright, switch around all of that. You get it back. Just Jenny to be more careful with money, guys. All of you guys be more careful with what you're doing. Everybody have to be careful because me mess up can't babysit everybody. Anna, Winji, go give me something to put on. We'll go swim next to have.
Yeah, swim.
Why?
I didn't swim last night. I
don't care anybody swim with me.
Alright, sorry.
Hello, give me something now. I'm going next to go do the ear and make LD no get a couple more sleep, minutes worth of sleep.
What you mean?
No, so mom come pay this and we keep on at
no, me I tell you say
something for put on.
if me are going to
And you have cash app. No, PayPal guys, PayPal. We don't have any cash app as it, but we have PayPal.
what?
You should wait, get out of the house. Come on, I forgot my pay. Give me something. What?
But that means try to show them what they use a car.
Oh, your life gone? Where you do this call?
But I said, my life money to just anything. See there?
Hold on there. Look how she registered everyone.
And my page me.
So where your life there?
And that means say,
Hold on.
give me phone.
I don't understand where your life gone.
And that me I wonder.
Think you want restriction or something? Dash everything. Lock down your phone and come back. Lock down your phone. Kevin, end it. Pin it. Or pin the cash, the PayPal. Guys, come with the PayPal. Alright, guys, may I come. Pin it. Alright, may I go pin it, guys. May I go in? Island babe. Hold on. We call it Chanel. Somebody can pay me some money? Me need to know, guys. I'm gonna come off of this. I wanna give me. Want it? Give me. Touch it, please. Important. Oh, the Chanel?
Yeah.
Now call her back. Show me your
Oh, this anywhere there?
now that me tell you, me, you know, Anna coming in there. Guys, me gonna make Anna put in a comment section. It come in a comment section right now, please. I want to make them make when me can take your money off it easy. Alright. I want to focus to the ear. You say anything negative happen, I'm gonna kick you like a football. Yeah? Act like, look here. No, call me.
The name?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, now I'm
Right foolish. You can pin it, right? Mm-hmm. Pin on my chat. Oh, hold on, let me show you. Come like this. Come so. Take this. Right, put in the box here quick. Guys, me a pin it. We put it to part 21 and over there, please.